So now we have one last section in this particular packet where we're looking at probability using a table where multiple events are happening at the same time. So Michelle Jordash has a large collection of basketball shoes, and the table shows how many types of each that she has. So you think of these are the red shoes, and some of them are high top and some of them are low cut. And these are the white shoes, and again, some of them are high top and some of them are low cut shoes. So the first question to answer is how many pairs of shoes are there altogether? So we have 16 of those and 9 of those, so we have 25 here, and 22 and 3 is 20. So altogether looks like there are 50 pairs of shoes, and that's an important number to get from the beginning, because when we start looking at probability, we want to know how many shoes that we have to begin with. And if we look at how many pairs are red, so if we just use the red ones, 16 of these and 9 of these, that would be 25 red shoes. And how many are low cut? So just these here, low cut, 9 and 3 is 12 low cut shoes. So if we think of what we have here, and the idea would be, what if we just randomly chose pairs of shoes for the game? And so what would be the probability if we randomly chose shoes out of this set that they would be white? So if we're just looking at white shoes, we have 22 and 3 is 25 white shoes. So 25 out of 50, or half of them, say a 50-50 chance, or half of the time we would pick white shoes. What if we were just talking about low-cut shoes? So the low-cut only. So here again we have 9 and 3 is 12 out of 50 that are low-cut shoes. And again, we could change these to percents too, because this is 50% and this one is 24 out of 100. Double them both and you get 24%. Okay, the next one, and now we have an and in here. So the and means that both of these have to be true. So they have to be white and low cut. So if we look at our chart, white, these shoes are white, but they're not low cut. So we have to go down here, and these are low cut. So white and low cut would only be these 3 pairs. They're both white and they're low cut. So now we have 350, or 6 out of 100, which is 6%. And then last, so there's our 3 out of 50, or 6 out of 100, or 6%. The or. Now or means, again, either of these would be true. So anything that's white or low cut. So now these are all white and these are low cut. So it's everything but these 16 shoes, pairs of shoes. Everything else is either white or low cut. Remember before in a previous lesson we talked about and or. And always gives you fewer options and or always gives you more. In this case we have lots because we can do white or low cut. So we have our 25 and 9 is 34 of the 50 pairs are white or low cut. So that's 68 out of 100. You can see we get lots more with or. 68% of the time, if you're choosing randomly, you would get white or low cut. So or means more, and there's always fewer options because both have to be true. In this case, one or the other can be true, and so you get more choices with or. And that's pretty much the end of probability packet 1.